Hello beautiful people, welcome to my homemade curry powder video. Alright, so over here in Australia, if we want to use curry, we just get it out of a tin, curry powder, right? But in India, if you're in India, there's no such thing as curry powder. They make their own, and you can have as little as 6 ingredients and you can have as many as 14 ingredients. And apparently in every household over there, their curries are all completely different. So a few years back I messed around with it heaps and I come up with a curry powder for an Aussie palate. So it's kind of like your stepping stone into curries, and this one goes well with absolutely anything. So you can use it as, if you've say got a recipe it says 1 tablespoon curry powder, you'd use this as 1 tablespoon. If you wanted to make a curry from scratch, this one recipe will do 1 family size curry. Okay. Alright, so for it we need a tablespoon of ground coriander seeds. Coriander seeds grounded. Alright. 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I can never get that right. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Well, there we have it, folks, eh? Homemade curry powder. It's a killer one. You're gonna love it. So it makes just a little over 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to use this one whole mix, and the next thing I'm going to do, well, over the next 12 hours or so, is something I made up from scratch myself, and it is curried lamb kebabs. And yeah, I'll use this whole mix in them. So yeah, that'll be coming up in the next couple of videos. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. Bye.